Hi, this is the Motorola Edge 40 and I'll show you the fingerprint scanner task on this device. So I just set up my fingerprint to the scanner and now I'll make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my fingerprint and we will see how fast this option is and does it works. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as we could see, the fingerprint scanner works here fast and correct, and we just unlock the device successfully without any problems. But if you want to try to unlock your device with the fingerprint unlock method, hold for a while your fingerprint on the scanner, because with a simple touch on the scanner you just have no chance to unlock the device successfully. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.